Hello students of class 2 English version. Hope you are all fine in such a crisis moment. Today I am being present in front of you with your study, and now let's talk about our study. Today we are going to have a class on English for today. Okay, hopefully most of you have received the half-yearly examination syllabus. If you look into the syllabus carefully, you will find an item named scene comprehension. Yes, in your exam you're going to have scene comprehension, and now I'm going to discuss about this scene comprehension, about which we haven't discussed it before. So before that, I want to inform you that you have unit 25 and 26 in your syllabus, any of which you will get as a scene comprehension in your exam. Okay, and this scene comprehension has three categories of question which you have to attempt in your exam, containing 15 marks in total. Okay, now let's start reading the passage first, then we will discuss about the categories of question. Okay, in this 25 unit you will get two segments. I'm going to read the first segment of unit 25 for you. Okay, now I'm starting reading. One thing I have to mention, that is I don't have any book at my home as it is the quarantine time. So I have left all the books in my school. So I have downloaded this page, unit 25 for you from internet. Now I'm reading from here. Please open page number 50, unit 25 and read with me, okay? Okay, I'm starting. I get up in the morning, I wash my face, then I have breakfast. After breakfast, I brush my teeth, then I go to school. So this is a very small passage for you, but we will get so many questions from here, and many sort of questions from here. So keep patience and be with me. Hope you all understand the passage. It's a passage about morning activities of a student, right? What a student does in the morning, in everyday morning. Okay, so this is already talked about, this is already read about. Okay, now we will see what categories of question may come from this passage. I have already said that there are three types of question which will come from this passage. Those are I have already written this for you in here. Those are three items, okay, like this: true, false, containing 5 marks, matching 5 marks, question answer 5 marks. So these are the three categories of questions which may come from this scene passage in your exam. Okay, in your question paper, exam question paper. Now I'm going to discuss about this. I'm going to explain, and I have already prepared for you this sort of questions over here. Before starting this, I have to mention this, that don't learn these questions, don't consider these questions as a definite questions which will come in your exam. No, not that. It will be a sample question for you. You will have to just follow this, and you will have to make questions from your own, from other units like unit 26 and another segment of unit 25, following this question paper. Okay, but don't learn these questions blindly. Okay, you just follow these questions. These are the sample questions. Okay, so this is true, false. First of all, you see, write true or false. The way of writing the question over here, you see, write true or false in your answer script. The question is, I get up in the morning. Answer is true. After lunch, I brush my teeth. Answer is false. After breakfast, I go to play. Answer false. I wash my face before breakfast. Answer true. I go to school in the morning. Answer true. Remember one thing, that is, you have to write only the answers in your answer script. Don't write the whole sentence or whole statement. Okay, and another thing you have to remember, that you have to write the whole word. Don't write only T or only F. You have to write the whole word, TRUE or FALSE. Okay, so don't forget to write the whole word in the answer script. If you don't write the full word, you will get less mark, or you may get 0. Okay, so please remember this. Another item of question is matching. Okay, so matching, in the matching you will get two sections like A and B sections, and A section will contain half of the sentence, and another section, means B section, will contain the another part of the sentence. So you will have to join these two sentences and you will have to write in a complete sentence. Don't write only the B sections as an answer in the script. Keep it in your mind. Okay, so I'm reading right now. A section tells I get up. Now match this with B section, that is I get up in the morning. Actually, I should have written the answer in here, but I didn't do, though I haven't done. So keep it in your mind. You have to do in this way, and I know very well that you will be able to write down because you have done this all in class 1. Okay. I wash my face after breakfast. I brush my teeth. Then I have my breakfast. I go to school. Okay, these are the things. These are the matching. But keep it in your mind. Never write. Never match the sentences in a crisscross line. Okay, or a zigzag line. Never match the sentences in a crisscross way. You have to match the sentence, and then you have to write the whole sentence in your script. Okay, so write both sides of the sections, like A sections and B sections. You have to match the whole thing, and you have to make a complete sentence, and then you have to write the whole complete sentence in your answer script. Okay, so we are going to another page, that is another category like question answer, which will contain another 5 marks. And in your exam you will get 5 questions, or you will get 2 questions containing 2.5 marks. Okay, or you will get five questions containing one for each. Okay, so when do you get up? I already have written the question answer. I get up in the morning. What do you do after washing your face? I have my breakfast after washing my face. When do you brush your teeth? After breakfast, I brush my teeth. When do you go to school? After brushing my teeth, I go to school. Where do you go in the morning? I go to school in the morning. So one thing you have to notice, that you will write the whole sentence as an answer in the script. Don't write the answer in short. You have to write a whole complete sentence. Okay, keep it in your mind and never forget to write the whole sentence as an answer. So whenever you are going to write any answer from the questions, you don't need to write the questions in the script. You just write the answer, put the number, and write the whole sentence as an answer. Okay, so now we are going to give some HW for you, as we are having a long vacation right now. So you have too much time in your hand, so you can do this all from your own. And this is the homework. Please follow the class. Please follow the categories of questions from the same passage and make questions from your own and answer from Unit 25, Lesson 4 to 6. Means Unit 25 second segment and Unit 26. Okay, this is the homework. See the class. If you follow the class, you will find all of this from here, the categories, the markings, the homework. Okay, so follow the class and try from your own. Okay, another thing I have to mention repeatedly, that is, these are the sample question. Don't think these are the all real questions which you are going to have in your exam question paper. So these are the don't follow this as a definite question paper. Think these are the sample questions, and you have to follow this. Don't learn these blindly. Okay, you just follow these samples and make from your own. So this is all for today. Now this is the time for saying bye-bye. Before saying bye, I would request you, please do not go out and stay home, and please stay safe. Okay, so bye-bye till the next class, and assalamu alaikum.